What you want to do first to open your browser and go over to this website called squadhelp.com. So guys, SquadHelp is a website that is going to pay you to come up with company names. That is good. They're going to pay you to come up with domain names. As you can see right here, SquadHelp is a website that will pay you to come up with domain names. As you can see right here, SquadHelp is a website that will pay you to come up with domain names for sales, because this website specializes in selling domain names. So when you create an account to this website and you choose to either create as a buyer or as a seller, as a creative seller, as a buyer simply means that you'll be paid. You are being a buyer. What it means to be a buyer means you come here to buy domain names. You are yet to purchase domain names. But as a seller, which is as a creative seller, you are here to sell domain names, to come up with domain names and logos. As you can see right here, these are all names for sales. These are all domain names for sales. As you can see right here, these are all, and they have tons of domain names available for sales. And you can see right here, largest naming community, high quality and collaboration, name agency level features. As you can see these. So without wasting your precious time, what you want to do once you get to this website, because this website specializes on selling domain names, all you want to do once you get to this website is to click on. But as you can see right here, I already have an account to this website. But if you are just come here for the first time, you will see contact, you see account right here where it says quick links. You see account. So all you need to do is to click on that account, and you'll be taken to a page where you have to choose to either sign up with your email address or with your Google account. If it's for me, I prefer you just create an account I would prefer you sign up with your email account. That will be much easier. Or you can either choose to sign up with your Google account, whichever way you prefer is all good. Whichever way you prefer is all good. But right here, so once you're done creating an account, this website, what you need to do is to come over to where you say quick links. As you can see, marketplace dashboard, marketplace listing, my contents. My content simply means the contents that I've performed but that I've participated. My content simply means the contest that you've participated, like in naming contest. They have naming contests, they have logo contest, they have tons of contests, as you can see right here, that you can participate on and start making money from that. And here also what it says, my contest entries. This is for you to know your contest entries and account activity, recent winners, leaderboard, my account, and so on. So guys, here you have it. This video I just want to make real quick. If you want me to create a more detailed tutorial pertaining to SquadHelp, if you want me to go more deep into this website, you can simply write into the comments and I will do justice to that. So guys, here you have it. Yes, with this website you can make an average of $500 every single day if you are consistent, and if you are really serious in making money online. You can use this website to come up with you can make decent amount of money by simply using this website. So here you have it, guys. Like I said earlier, if you want me to make a full tutorial on this website, kindly leave a link, kindly comment in the comment section, and I promise you guys I will come back and create a detailed tutorial pertaining to this website. So guys, here you have it, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. See you in the next value.